Best place used this hotel for 10 years never disappointed. Exceptional, such a nice place to stay. Exceptional, nice staff. Clean rooms and location-wise. Great hotel, good spot for chilled out view of the fireworks. Great experience, awesome stay. Great choice for your decision, helpful staff, proper price. Love it, everything is good. The only con is that I can hear the noise of people talking from outside. Good location, good service. Fine place, nice staff, very good place to stay. Great little hotel. You can't beat the price here, and honestly it has everything. Good size room, aircon was new unit, it's clean, even the bathrooms, which is rare in Thailand unfortunately. The staff is super friendly. And BTS station is just 5 minutes walk. Plus next by is a big market and also a small mall where there is a great exchange. We got the best rate of the whole trip. Siloam in general is a nice area to stay, and for the price this place is really good. Cheap price with high service, the room was clean towel every day, free drinking water, AC work well, staff very friendly. Comfortable stay, very nice. Exceptional, good place. Great location close to BTS and lots of street food to choose from. I love to stay there again. Hotel staff and security is very kindly and I would like to stay there again when I come to Bangkok next time. Goes near to go icon Siam and ride the boat to visit with new experience. I am from Myanmar and our Myanmar embassy is existing nearly the hotel, MRT, very nice location, exceptional good location, easy to find food and very convenient for transportation. It's sample and lovely hotel. The staff are friendly and lovely, like you are relaxing at a friend's house. And delicious restaurants around, that is why there is no need for any breakfast here. And the view on the 10th floor is very good. Best place used this hotel for 10 years never disappointed. Exceptional, such a nice place to stay.